Will she have been cooking all day? No, she will not have been cooking because she ordered pizza. Will he have been playing video games for too long? Absolutely, he will have been playing since morning. Will they have been watching TV for hours? No, they will not have been watching because the power went out. Will we have been waiting for the bus for a long time? Yes, we will have been waiting forever because it's always late. Will you have been exercising regularly? No way. I will not have been exercising at all. Will she have been learning French for months? Yes, she will have been learning but still can't order a croissant. Will he have been saving money for his vacation? No, he will not have been saving because he spent it all on snacks. Will they have been practicing for the competition? Yes, they will have been practicing every day to win. Will I have been writing my novel for years? Probably, but I will have been procrastinating more than writing. Will she have been dancing for hours? No, she will not have been dancing because she's too tired. Will he have been working on his project? Yes, he will have been working hard to meet the deadline. Will we have been sleeping during the movie? Most likely, we will have been sleeping because it's so boring. Will you have been eating healthy food? Nope, I will not have been eating anything but junk food. Will she have been shopping all day? Yes, she will have been shopping until her wallet is empty. Will he have been playing football every weekend? No, he will not have been playing because he's too lazy. Will they have been fixing the car for hours? Yes, they will have been fixing it, but it's still broken. Will we have been planning the trip for months? Yes, we will have been planning everything down to the last detail. Will I have been avoiding my responsibilities? Definitely, I will have been avoiding them like a pro. Will you have been working from home? Yes, I will have been working in my pajamas all day. Will she have been traveling around the world? No, she will not have been traveling because her passport expired. Will he have been teaching for many years? Yes, he will have been teaching for so long that he knows every excuse. Will they have been gardening all summer? No, they will not have been gardening because they forgot to water the plants. Will we have been baking for the party? Yes, we will have been baking enough cake for an entire army. Will you have been playing chess with Grandpa? No, I will not have been playing because he always wins. Will she have been painting the house? Yes, she will have been painting for weeks, and it's still not done. Will he have been listening to music all day? Yes, he will have been listening so much that he knows all the lyrics. Will they have been taking care of the baby? No, they will not have been taking care of him. The baby is taking care of them. Will we have been eating pizza every weekend? Yes, we will have been eating so much that we might turn into a pizza. Will I have been reading books all summer? No, I will not have been reading because Netflix exists. Will you have been learning to drive? Yes, I will have been learning, but the car still scares me. Will she have been swimming every morning? No, she will not have been swimming because she hates cold water. Will he have been singing at the karaoke night? Yes, he will have been singing like he's in a concert. Will they have been camping in the forest? No, they will not have been camping because they saw one mosquito. Will we have been laughing at the comedy show? Yes, we will have been laughing so hard that our stomachs hurt. Will you have been fixing your broken phone? No, I will not have been fixing it because I dropped it again. Will she have been walking 10,000 steps daily? Yes, she will have been walking, but only to the fridge. Will he have been drinking too much coffee? Absolutely. He will have been drinking enough to stay awake for a week. Will they have been arguing about silly things? Yes, they will have been arguing about whether pineapple belongs on pizza. Will we have been playing board games all night? No, we will not have been playing because someone flipped the board. Will you have been ignoring your emails? Yes, I will have been ignoring them like a true procrastinator. Will she have been cleaning her messy room? No, she will not have been cleaning. The mess is now part of history. Will he have been making excuses for being late? Of course. He will have been making excuses that don't even make sense. Will you have been eating pizza every day? Of course. I will have been eating pizza until I turn into one. Will she have been talking nonstop again? Yes, she will have been talking so much that even Siri got tired. Will he have been sleeping all day? Probably. He will have been sleeping like a professional napper. Will they have been watching cat videos all night? Absolutely. They will have been watching until their battery dies. Will we have been avoiding work again? Definitely. We will have been avoiding it like it's lava. Will you have been pretending to exercise? Yes, I will have been standing next to the treadmill for motivation. Will she have been singing in the shower again? Yes, she will have been singing loud enough for the neighbors to complain. Will he have been making excuses for not cleaning? Oh, yes. He will have been inventing new ones every day. Will they have been dancing like nobody's watching? No, they will have been dancing like everybody's watching and judging. Will we have been spending too much time on our phones? Of course. We will have been scrolling until our thumbs need a break. Will you have been ignoring your alarm again? Absolutely. I will have been sleeping right through it. Will she have been laughing at her own jokes? Yes, she will have been laughing even when nobody else does. Will he have been eating all the snacks again? Without a doubt, he will have been finishing them before anyone notices. Will they have been arguing over silly things? Yes, they will have been debating whether a hot dog is a sandwich again. Will we have been getting lost again? Most likely. We will have been walking in circles for hours. Will you have been avoiding laundry again? Of course. I will have been wearing the same shirt for a week. Will she have been drinking too much coffee? Definitely. She will have been vibrating from all the caffeine. Will he have been sending too many memes? 100%. He will have been flooding the group chat. Will they have been trying to be influencers again? Yes, they will have been taking selfies for hours. Will we have been regretting this decision? Absolutely. We will have been questioning our life choices. Will you have been texting instead of sleeping? Yes, I will have been messaging until 3 a.m. again. Will she have been overthinking everything? Without a doubt, she will have been analyzing even her last text. Will he have been trying to grow a beard? Yes, he will have been waiting forever for 3 hairs. Will they have been laughing at their own mistakes? Of course. They will have been laughing instead of fixing them. Will we have been regretting eating too much? Definitely. We will have been rolling instead of walking. Will you have been trying to avoid social events? Yes, I will have been faking a cold again. Will she have been binge watching her favorite show? Absolutely. She will have been watching every episode without blinking. Will he have been failing at cooking again? Without a doubt. He will have been burning even the water. Will they have been posting too many selfies? Oh, yes. They will have been documenting every second of their lives. Will we have been struggling to wake up early? Most likely. We will have been setting 10 alarms for no reason. Will you have been eating all the fries again? Absolutely. I will have been stealing fries from everyone's plate. Will she have been shopping online all night? Yes, she will have been adding things to her cart but not buying them. Will he have been pretending to work? Of course. He will have been staring at the screen doing nothing. Will they have been napping instead of studying? Without a doubt. They will have been calling it a power nap. Will we have been complaining about the weather? Yes. We will have been hating both summer and winter. Will you have been wasting time on social media? Absolutely. I will have been scrolling instead of working. Will she have been trying to diet again? Yes, but she will have been eating cake 5 minutes later. Will he have been making dad jokes all day? 100%. He will have been annoying everyone with puns. Will they have been gossiping again? Of course. They will have been spreading all the latest drama. Will we have been pretending to listen? Most likely. We will have been nodding without understanding anything. Will you have been running away from responsibilities? Absolutely. I will have been avoiding adulting at all costs. Will she have been playing video games all night? Definitely. She will have been beating all the high scores. Will he have been texting instead of paying attention? Without a doubt. He will have been pretending to listen. Will they have been ordering too much food again? Yes, they will have been eating like it's their last meal. Will we have been dancing at every party? Absolutely. We will have been embarrassing ourselves on the dance floor.